Hi. I am Mr. J from Real Facts channel. Today I am gonna show you how to reduce the excessive heating of your Android phone. No more drama. Straightly go to your phone settings. Now heading under the settings, touch on the device care tab. Here we go. Now you can see like this and do optimize and go ahead. After that now your phone is little bit settled with its power source. Now you have to clear the memory so it helps to keep your phone so fast, and that is pretty awesome, right? Now it's done. So now again you have to go to battery under the same settings, and there are some important things we have to be done. So now tick or untick as I do. This is the main point to keep your phone cool and not overheating again. Keep the fast charge mode turned off and rest keep on. After that just download any app like Clean Master or whatever, and I have got cleaners. So we go further and start opening the app, and now you can see it's cleaning rest of operation and giving you to access a brand new experience of your phone with this awesome tricks. So as you can see, all of hidden caches, background apps, empty folders and much more junks are being removed, and your phone getting super duper fast and never ever getting overheat back.